Hello, gentlemen. Today, you're not just watching hair transformations. You're about to witness something a lot of men never talk about out loud. The pressure of always needing to hold everything together. These are 10 men who walked into this room carrying stress, exhaustion, burnout, and years of neglecting themselves, and walked out looking like they finally felt lighter again. Not because a haircut changes your life overnight, but because sometimes, when a man spends years focused only on responsibilities, he slowly stops recognizing himself too. Some of these men haven't changed their hairstyle in years. Some stopped caring about their appearance completely. Not because they're lazy, not because they gave up, but because life became survival. Work, bills, pressure, providing for everyone else, trying to stay strong even when they're mentally exhausted. And somewhere in the middle of all of that, they stopped making time for themselves. Look closely before the transformations begin. The tired eyes, the forced smiles, the way some of them sit in the chair looking unsure, almost uncomfortable with the attention. Because a lot of men are taught to keep going no matter how drained they feel, to ignore stress, ignore burnout, ignore themselves. And honestly, that emotional weight starts showing over time. One man says he hasn't done something for himself in years. Another laughs awkwardly when he gets complimented, like confidence feels unfamiliar now. And another keeps saying, "I just needed a reset." And maybe that's what so many men actually need. Not perfection, not some huge life change. Just a moment to breathe again. Then, the transformation begins. The clippers turn on. Hair starts falling. Beards are shaped. Years of exhaustion slowly disappear from their faces little by little. And suddenly, the energy in the room changes. One man who walked in completely serious starts smiling halfway through the haircut. Another keeps staring at himself in the mirror during the fade, quietly shocked by the difference. And another sits back in the chair afterward, looking calmer than he did when he first arrived. Because sometimes, self-care is more emotional than people realize, especially for men who spend most of their lives carrying pressure silently. The hot towel, the haircut, the beard trim, the cleanup, the attention to detail. For a little while, these men are not workers, providers, husbands, fathers, or problem solvers. They're just people finally taking a moment for themselves. And honestly, you can see how much they needed it. Their posture changes. Their confidence starts returning. Their eyes look more awake. Like years of stress and emotional exhaustion finally loosened their grip for a second. Then comes the reveal. The chair turns. The mirror faces them. And the reactions say everything. One man instantly starts laughing because he says he feels 10 years younger. Another can't stop touching his beard because he forgot what it felt like to actually feel confident again. And another just stares quietly at himself, smiling in a way he probably hasn't smiled in a long time. Because what they're seeing isn't just a fresh haircut. It's themselves again. Not the exhausted version, not the burnt-out version. The version underneath all the pressure life placed on them. And then, someone they love walks in. A son, a wife, a friend. And their reactions make the moment even more powerful. Because they don't just notice a physical transformation, they notice the energy shift, the confidence, the happiness, the lightness in these men's faces. One wife immediately tears up, seeing her husband smile confidently again. A friend starts hyping his friend up instantly because he says he hasn't seen him look this good in years. And another son just keeps staring at his dad smiling, like he can feel the difference too. And maybe that's why transformations like these resonate with so many men online. Because deep down, a lot of men are exhausted. Exhausted from pressure, from responsibility, from carrying stress silently every single day. And sometimes, they don't even realize how disconnected they've become from themselves until they finally slow down for a moment. So, if you're watching this today, let this be your reminder. Taking care of yourself does not make you weak. Wanting to feel confident again does not make you selfish. And giving yourself one moment to reset might be exactly what you've been needing for years. Because sometimes, the strongest thing a man can do is finally take care of himself too.